Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we got something super special. AP chronograph. This one's a 38mm blue eyes, discontinued. Don't get these across my desk very often. They're actually pretty rare watches. So I wanted to showcase this on the channel really fast. My camera's about to die, so this is gonna be a pretty short video. Before we start, on the wrist, we got the chocolate Daytona Oyster Flex. Do have a Panda here, which I might wear later on. After this video, I'm gonna work on something for Daytona. It's kind of going over the market pricing. I'm seeing them soften quite a bit, and there's a couple reasons why. I'll make that video after this. But today we're gonna be focusing strictly on this bad boy here. And let's see if we can get them to focus. Here we go. Let's hide behind that. There we go. Look at that. Super awesome. This dial in the sun is insane. The blue really pops out. But I wanted to showcase this and kind of show you guys how this wears. I've worn the 41mm as well. This one's a 38, and for people like me with a little bit smaller wrist, the 38 fits super well. It fits like a Daytona, and so I'll show you guys in a second here. Before we go any further, I do want to mention, make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's where all the goodness is happening. I don't post as much on YouTube, but on Instagram I'm super active. All right, here is the AP box. It's a little dirty, it's like a fingerprint magnet. Let's take a look at this piece. Insane. The finish on these APs are just like absolutely beautiful. Look at this thing. Look at that dial. And this is indoors. Outdoors, I'll put a photo up. It looks even better. But again, this is 38mm. Let's compare this next to a Panda, and you guys will see the watch is pretty similar in size. So for folks that have a little bit smaller wrists, I'd say 7-inch diameter and below, well, maybe even maybe 7-inch you might be able to get it with the 41, but I think this 38 will fit you better and will fit more like a Rolex Daytona. When you factor in height, you'll see that the APs are generally a little bit taller watches, a little bit thicker. Look at the bracelet finish. I mean, AP is just, the finish on these watches are absolutely incredible. So I'll show you guys what a Daytona looks like on my wrist. In fact, I'm still wearing one right now. So here's what a Daytona looks like. Fits me personally. I like the fit on this. It's perfect. We'll put this AP on just so you guys can see what it looks like. Here we go. I haven't changed the time or anything on this watch, but look at that. That's what you should expect. And I have about a 6.75-inch wrist in diameter, and this is a 38mm chrono AP. It's the case. The case of these APs are just so thick that, and they jut out a little bit. They're more squared off. They just fit larger than a Rolex, and this isn't size to me, so there you go. But this is an awesome piece. Discontinued, a little bit harder to get. Prices were high 50s, low 60s at one point. They're coming back down now where they're more of a feasible price. But yeah, I wanted to make sure that you're able to see this on the channel. And if you have any questions, comment or email me. And we're back out. Thank you guys so much for joining me today in unboxing this beauty. This AP is absolutely incredible in person. The blue dial, the sub dials are just in the sun, super beautiful. They pop out. If you guys are interested in watches like this, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Shoot me an email if you're looking for a piece and you need me to help you source one. But most importantly, follow me on Instagram. That's where all the goodness happens. And thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.